Good morning and a happy spring. I am excited today to share with you our new online spring library. So go ahead and click on ELA and you will see, you can scroll down so you have it full screen. There's our spring library. All right, so now how do we use it? What can we do? Well, first you can see the fun colors and the fancy balloons. If you click on those balloons, guess what? Ta-da! They go up in the air. All right, there's also a video here, the morning song. You can click on it. You can listen to it.
Hello, everybody.
Click on the
How
box,
are you
and it will make
today?
it bigger for you.
It's time to move your body and learn and play.
Then when you're done, click on the small box, and it will go back for you. All right, but enough of the hello song. How about we dive into these books? You can never learn enough, right? All right, so we have here the Hidden Rainbow. Let's take a peek at this one. If you just click on it, one time click, it pops up in YouTube. Hit
Hi
play,
everyone, welcome to
and there you
Story
go.
Time. I'm Chris.
You have, in this case, the author reading the book to us. When you are finished, and again, you can make it big screen by clicking here on the box, or making it smaller by clicking on the box again. And when you're done, you can just exit out. And if you want to see another video and have another book read to you, you open it up. There you go. Same thing. You can listen to the book. Here's another. It's that easy. Click on the book you want to listen to. It'll open up in YouTube for you. All right, so this is great. But is that all? No. Aside from the dancing flowers over here, isn't that cute? We also have another page. And I know how much you all love Pete the Cat.
Pete the cat was walking
And
down the
boom,
street
you're
in
gonna
his
get
brand
surprised with the
new
song.
white
So you can
shoes.
sit and listen to the song
Pete
for a minute.
loved his white
And when you're
shoes.
ready, go on back. The fun thing about going back is you can release the balloons again. All right, enjoy our new springtime library.